Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about two-page replacement algorithms that is counter-based, and that is also an approximation of the optimal page replacement algorithm. We will discuss in both the cases what are the advantages and disadvantages and why they are not chosen or chosen over some other algorithms. As we use many algorithms for the page replacement policy, one is to keep a counter for the number of references that have been made to each the pages and following the schemes that are used on basis of the counter. The first one is the most frequently used or MFU. In most frequently used, we keep the counter from the slowest to the fastest. Now, with the slowest to the fastest, we'll have the highest to the lowest. We will replace the page with the lowest count possible because it has not been used many times ago. Now we will do the MFU with the following reference string. So when we are occurring with 4, we have 1, 2, 3 in our page frame. As we can see that 1 was the last time as it the first to use. So 1 will be replaced with 4. Now again 1 is coming. So as we can see that 1 was the last time of 4, 2 and 3. The last one is just 2. So we will replace 2 with 1. Now when 2 is coming, we can count that 1 was used 2 times and 4 was used 1 time and 3 was also used 1 time. So we have to choose between 4 and 3 because they were the least frequently used. Now we will choose the most frequently used as MFU we are using. So here 1 is the one because it is using the most frequently time. So we will replace 1 with this 2. Now when 5 is coming, again we will count between this 4, 2 and 3. As you can see, 4 was used for 1 time, 2 was used for 2 times and 3 was used for also 1 time. So 2 is the one which is using for the highest time. So we will again replace 2. Now again when 1 is coming, we have to count between this 4, 5 and 3. 4 was also 1 time, 5 1 time and 3 1 time. So between them, which was previously received as a FIFO queue, so we will choose 4 to be replaced with 1. Now 2 is coming, so between 1, 5 and 3, obviously 1 is the one which is most frequently used, so 1 will be replaced with 2. Now 3 is coming and it is already in the memory, so it will not cause any page fault. Now when 4 is coming, it will cause a page fault and it will replace between 2, 5 as 3 as 2 was the most frequently used. So we will replace 2. And 5 will not cause a page fault. So the final number of page faults is, see the page fault here is 10. Now the main advantage of using MFU is the actively most using usage is being given the highest count and we are not using the least frequently used because the active process that is on the use for the previous one and now which are not using, so we are replacing the page. So in this way MFU is done. Now we will see that how LFU is done. So LFU is least frequently used. Here we will take the smallest count of that counter which is taking the reference as the counting. So we'll do the reference string same with the least frequently used. For the MFU, one solution of this problem is shifting the counter right by 1 every at interval so that every process will be get higher or lower according to their frequency. If it was previously being used frequently and now it is no longer needed, then the MFU will cause a definitely problem. So here we are using this LFU. So 1, 2 and 3 are causing page faults. Now we are coming with 4. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is the one that is least frequently used because 1, 2 and 3 both frequency are same. So 3 is the newest one, so we will choose the 3. Now again 1 is coming and 1 is there in the present, so 1 will not cause a page fault. Now again 2 is coming, it will also not cause a page fault. Now 5 is coming. So we will count the frequency of this 1, 2 and 4. So 1 is appearing here before this 5, 1 and 2 times. Also 2 is appearing 2 times and 4 is appearing 1 times. So 4 is the one that is least frequently used, so we will replace 4. Now again for 1 and 2 it will not cause a page fault. Now when 3 is coming, again 5 is the one that is least frequently used, so 5 will be replaced with 3. Now when 4 is coming, we need to check between this 1, 2 and 3. Definitely 3 is the one which is least frequently used because its frequency is 2 times. Whereas 1's frequency is 3 times and 2's frequency is also 3 times. So we will replace this 3 with 4. Now when 5 is coming, obviously 4 will be replaced because 4 is appearing 2 times where 1 and 2 is appearing 3 times. So the final number of page fault using this LFU is this LFU using and having a page fault of 8 times. But both of these algorithms are not common and they are not the best approximation of the optimal page replacement strategy. That is why they are not used mostly in the computer systems. That is all for the counting based page replacement. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.